lecture of JavaScript. In this lecture, you will learn date and time function in JavaScript. I have already discussed in basics. Java is a behavior of website. Create animations, okay, to change images, on click to change images, or on click to view and see date and time function. Using what function? Using date function. This function is date. Okay, on click is equals to document.get.Element.By.id, and here is like p space id is equals to demo. You change this, okay? You first you write here in this model. Okay, first I'll create an id, then this id will call here. When I click this button, it shows date and time. Okay, see how to do this practical. Okay, I am open Sublime and save it. Okay, here for example dt date and time 1.html, save it and press enter. Date and time function. While I am using this function, it display date and time and current date and time about to the system. You can also give any heading here like display date and time. Press Ctrl S to save it. Okay, now I am creating here is an ID. P is a paragraph, ID is equals to demo. Okay, I'm calling using this ID to call date and time function. Okay, start with what button? When I click this button, it shows date and time. Type button. Okay, when I click this button, it shows me what? Date and time function. According to what? According to get element using this function. Okay, get element with on click function. When I click on click is what? This is an event in programming language. Click event, double click event, or many events. Same concept in web design. Okay, and this function used in Java. On click, when I click this on click event to show the date and time, that is a function. On click is equals to document.get.Element.By.id. Okay, see here On click is available here, as you see here, on click. Okay, first time here document dot get element by id. You must note it here, I is not here small, you must write here capital. Why? Because it's calling function. Okay, this id and this id, this is small, and here you must write it capital id. This is JavaScript function and this is simple id, how to create, as you already learned in CSS. Okay, and which id is called demo. Demo dot inner html okay is equals to date. Press enter and you must here date. This is what? This is date function. Bracket shows that this is our date function and it's already includes in JavaScript library. Okay, and start button, and you must close button, and here some text right here, some text. Which text? For example, click me to display date and time. Press Ctrl S to save it. Okay, you can see here, and file name is what? dt1. Click here and open it. Now click on this button, you can see here. Okay, today is like Sunday, 12th April, and it's 16 o'clock. When I click again, it's refreshed. Click again, see, it's refreshed. Okay, if for example I cut it and paste here at the end, press Ctrl S to save it, and now I'll refresh it and click here. As you see here, this function with the button. If cut this and I am now paste here after button closed and before body, closed body, refresh this, click OK. If demo ID will here, then date and time show below of the button. If demo ID is here, then it shows upward section of the button. Function is same. This is also code area, as you see here, and same function is here. Thanks.